Hi everyone, this is Nes Signature. So today I'll be teaching you how to sew this smoked shared top. It is very very beautiful and simple to make. So if it is something you are interested in, please stay to the end of the video. In fact, the camera didn't do justice to the beauty of this top. It is very beautiful. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and click on the subscribe button. Do what to turn off the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post new videos. I go live every day, so do well to join me live every day. Check on the posts on my channel every day to see when I go live. Let's go straight to the cutting. It is very easy. So you need 1.5 yard for this top. You need 1.5 yard, but what I used was just 1 yard, and later I find out that it was not enough. So that's why you see mixed hands. So 1.5 yard will do better for you. So this is the fabric I'll be using. So you need your fabric, and whenever you want to smoke any fabric, it should be light fabric. Don't buy those big Ankara. This one is the smallest Ankara, the one cheapest Ankara. Either you use the cheapest Ankara, or you use chiffon, or you use light crepe. Those things will gather those fabric will gather very well. If you use thick fabric, it will not gather well for you. So this is what I will be using for the tutorial. I will go ahead and fold my fabric into 4 and cut it into the desired length that I want. After cutting it into 4, we'll go ahead and take the desired measurement. So I will take one part out of it. So I folded this particular one that I left into 2. The other one that I took out, it is 2 also. So you go ahead and measure your length. You can see that I removed 5 inches from the upper part of it. Since it's off shoulder, I removed 5 inches. So you can remove 6, depend on how you want yours to look like. So I removed 5 inches, then I went ahead to take the length of my top 25. So the next thing we're going to do, you divide your bust into 4. Divide your bust into 4, then add 6 inches to it. Remember, the fabric is folded into 2, so by the time you add 6 inches, it will be 12. You can go ahead and add 7 inches. It all depends how you want how full you want your gather to look like after smoking or sharing it. The next thing I'm going to do is to put the fabric together. I'm going to put them together. I'm going to spread them and put them together like so. Then I'll go ahead and join them at the side. I'm through joining it at the side. You can see I've joined the fabric at the side. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to fold the upper part and the down part. So if you want to weave it, you can go ahead and weave the upper and the down part of it. But what I will do, I'm going to fold them in like so. Fold the rough edges in like so. Can you see? So that's what I'm going to do to the down part of it also. Fold it very tiny. So I'll go ahead to my sewing machine, fold the upper part and the down part like so, all through the upper part and down. I have folded the edge. Can you see? Both up part and the down part. I folded it neatly. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure where we are going to smoke, where we are going to share. So I'll fold my fabric into 2 like so on the right part of it. Then I'll go ahead at the tip. I'll go ahead and smoke it straight. I'm not going to fold it when smoking it. I will lie it straight too. I'll just let it. I'm not going to double it. Why? That's why I want to open it so that you don't get confused. So you smoke it straight like so, like 4 to 5 lines at the top part of it. So that's what we are going to do. Then after doing that, you are going to also smoke the bottom, the under bust or the waist point, wherever you want the gather to start from. So in order for us not to get confused, let me just measure the under bust down. So I'll mark it with my chalk so that as I'm smoking, by the time I smoke the upper part, it might not enable me to get my underbust perfectly. So I'll go ahead and measure the underbust down. So the underbust, from the underbust, I can smoke like 5 to 6 line. I have a video on my channel which I posted. I'm going to post the link in the description box. Go ahead and watch the video on how to smoke fabric. It is easy and you can do it with your manual machine. So after smoking it, I will show you what next to do. I am through smoking it. Can you see how it looks? It looks really beautiful after smoking. The video is not doing justice to it. Can you see how beautiful it is? This is the wrong side. You can see how stretchy it is. So you ensure you use a very light fabric. Can you see the upper part I told you about, and the under bust or the waist point, wherever you want the gather to start from. Can you see how it looks? It came out really beautiful. So I'll go ahead and turn it, and you can range it very well, like so. So can you see how it came out really, really beautiful? The draperies are top notch. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fold the fabric into two. I folded it into two, wrong side facing wrong side. So you go ahead and measure your armhole. Go ahead and measure your armhole, like so. So in order not for you to get confused, I'll go ahead and fold it into four again, like so. Can you see it's already into two? I'll fold it into four like this, so that it will just be the same cutting, not one armhole bigger than the other. Can you see how I did it? So I'll go ahead and measure the armhole, the depth of the armhole. First of all, the shoulder, you take your shoulder measurement, then you just add 1 inch. If your shoulder is, your shoulder divided by 4. Okay, if it's the only one side, 2. If it's the 4 side, 4. You know what I mean. So if your shoulder is 14, you go ahead and divide it by 2, which is 7. So you take your shoulder measurement 7, then from there you can cut your armhole depth. Please do not cut it very deep. So this is how it is. You cut it. So after cutting it, this is how it looks. So you might think it will not size, it will size. You know, it's elastic. So the next thing I'm going to do, remember one side is joined and the other side is not joined. So I'll go ahead and join the other part that I have not sewn together. After joining, this is how it looks. It came out really beautiful. Can you see how beautiful it is? So I've joined both sides and I've turned to the right side. So I'm going to cut out the sleeve. It's just your regular sleeve. Go ahead and take your shoulder measurement. You just measure excess of your shoulder measurement, can be 8 inches. Then you curve out your armhole like so. Take your armhole, then you go ahead and cut your off shoulder sleeve. So you go ahead and cut it off, and you are going to also smoke it, or you can put whatever desired sleeve that you want. You can put straight sleeve, but this my own, I want to smoke it. I'll go ahead and fold the edges. So after folding the edges, I will go ahead, like the way I folded the fabric, I'm going to the main bodice, I'm going to go ahead and fold the up and the down part of it. So after folding it, I will still also smoke the upper part and also smoke the down part, and that is it. After smoking it, I went ahead to join the sleeve. Can you see how it looks? I went ahead to join it. Can you see how it looks? So the next thing we are going to do is to join the armhole to the armhole of the dress, is to join the sleeve like so. Can you see? Armhole to armhole. Look for where they join and go ahead and attach it to the sleeve. And that is all for this tutorial. You can see how simple it looks. So see you in our next tutorial. Bye.